Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a spring look today. And I was really inspired by the Nudestix, the Heaven and Earth kit. And it's just even the bag is really pretty and inspiring. So I got this and I want to do something with it today. So that's what we're doing. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to go in with primer, and I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Primerizer just to hydrate my skin a little bit. Next I'm going to go in with my second primer, which is the Baby Skin by Maybelline, just to fill in the pore area, just because I'm using more color on my face today, so I just want a little bit more of a flawless skin look. So with this look, I want to do my eyes first, so I'm just going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to put it on my eyelids. Now I'm just going to set my lids before I put on the shadow, and I'm just going to use this Becca loose powder. I believe it's the Hydra loose powder. So the first thing I want to put on my eyes is the Magnetic Plush Paint in the shade Love Cloud. I actually saw Taylor Frankel and Kathleen Lights putting this in their crease. I use as a transition shade, and I really like that idea, so I just want to do that today. Alright, so now I'm going to put on this purple shade called Lilac Sky, and I'm going to put it on this lid right here and just blend it up into the Love Cloud color. Now that Lilac Sky is on this eye, I want to go in with the shade, the blue shade, which is Oceania, and put that on my eyelid. I always want, every time I look at this, I always want to say Oceania because that's my cousin's middle name, and yeah, but it's Oceania. Right, so I think that's all I'm going to do for the upper half of my eyes right now. Let's move on to the rest of my makeup. First, I'm going to go in with the Nudestix, the concealer pencil in the shade Light 2, and just put it on areas where I think I need a little coverage, so like right over here and some of my forehead. So now I'm going to do concealer under my eyes and also just kind of clean up this area here. So I'm going to go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and just do a couple little dots. Alright, next I'm just going to set the concealer that I have under my eyes and just any areas where I feel just need setting. So I'm just going to go back in with that Becca loose powder that I have. Now I'm moving on to bronzer, and as always, I'm using my Essence Sun Club bronzer. Now that I'm all bronzed, I'm going to be going in with highlighter, and I'm going to go in with the Nudestix Glow Bubbly Baby. And I'm just going to put that all on the high points of my face. Now I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm actually going to take from the Heaven and Earth kit the Nudies Bloom in the shade Bohemian Rose. It's just a really pretty pinky rose color, and Nudies Bloom is actually my favorite when it comes to Nudestix blushes. Now I'm going to set my face with my L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. While my setting spray dries, I'm going to go off camera and do my brows real quick. I actually just did a brow tutorial fairly recently. I will link it in the description box for you so that you can see. Now that the brows are done, I'm just going to finish up the eyes. So first I'm going to go back in with Lilac Sky, and I'm actually going to put it underneath this eye right here. So we're going to switch. So Lilac Sky is going to go here, and Oceania is going to go on this eye. I didn't do this before. I'm actually going to go back in with Bubbly Baby and put it on my brow bone and inner corner. Now that the rest of the eyes are done, I'm going to do my mascara off camera real quick. And I also just filmed a mascara routine not that long ago, and I will link that down below for you to see. Be right back. So next I'm going to be doing my lips. First I'm going to be doing my two lip liners, both from NYX. This one is natural to put all over my lips, and then this one is mauve to put under, just to give a little pout. Alright, I'm going to go in with Bohemian Rose and just pat this on the lips. And to top it off, I'm going to put on Nude 2 from the Nudestix lip glazes. Well, alright guys, that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed, and yeah, it's just a little bit of color, nothing crazy, very easy to do, but I just thought it'd be a lot of fun, and this guy inspired me. But yeah, I really hoped you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!